Mama cat is here. No fighting, huh? No fighting. No fighting. Mama cat, may boyfriend ka na naman. Ito oh, ang boyfriend niya oh. Nandito. Boyfriend mo to? Maliit pa yung mga kittens mo.